In this video, I'm about to show you how to try out StreamYard. First, navigate the official StreamYard website on your browser. StreamYard is a professional live streaming and recording studio in your browser. You can record your content or stream live to Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms. Next, click the Get Started button in the top right corner. You have to add email address or continue with your Google account. Now, select your account and click Continue to give it access to StreamYard. First, choose how you discover it, your experience, and the size of your audience. Choose the option on how you'll use StreamYard, the use for personal account, and the type of content. Hit Submit all the information and then you can try the advanced feature for $1. After that, you'll be directed to homepage of your account. You can go through different features here like live streams, recordings, and webinars. To create a new recording, click the plus icon right to this option. Following that, enter the title and the other settings for recording and click Create Recording. After starting, you can now record the content. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.